want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that this story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go, So I'll go, Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits, I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Lately I've been thinking, I want you to be happier, I want you to be happier. So I'll go, I will go.
Happy birthday, Uriah. You are doing so good, and I hope that you continue to do great things. I hope that you're having a great birthday party, and I wish you many, many more birthdays to come. I love you so much. Your mommy.
Uriah, it's your Mimi. Just sending out a love birthday wish to you. Happy birthday and many, many more. You the best grandson a Mimi could ever have. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, baby boy. Hey, 11 years old, son. Papa happy and proud of you. Continue to do the great things that you're doing and continue to make your mom, dad, Mimi, sister, uncle, everybody proud of you. Happy birthday. Love you. See you this weekend. Bye.
Birthday, Uriah. Hope you enjoy your day, baby. Have a good day. Love you. Hey, Uriah. This is your Auntie Deborah. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Zachariah. You're the best friend I ever have.
Hey, Uriah. We just want to say happy birthday.
Yes, happy birthday, young man.
We're proud of the tween that you are becoming. We love you.
Hi, Uriah. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We wish we could be there, but we on the road. We'll see you soon. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Uriah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Yaya.
Happy birthday, Uriah. Your auntie loves you. 11 years old. That's a big deal. Happy birthday, sweetie. The sky's the limit.
Birthday, Uriah. I hope you have an amazing birthday. I love you so much.
Hello, Uriah. Wishing you a happy, blessed birthday. Hope you're having fun today. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uriah. Happy birthday to you. Know we love you.
Happy birthday, URIJAH. Just want you to know I love you and you mean the world to me. I'm so proud to be your uncle. You are the kindest person ever. I love you and I hope you stay exactly the same forever. Happy birthday.
Birthday, Uriah. I hope you have an amazing birthday. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. I hope you enjoy yourself. I love you. Aunt Bay may love you. And I wish you many, many more birthdays. I wish I was there, but I can't be. But you enjoy yourself for me. And I love you.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.